This video will show you how to set up and run your app for offline operations. There are many situations when the network on a mobile device is not available. These can occur on farms in rural areas, in trucks on the highway, in basements of large buildings, and in parking garages, just to name a few. Setting up offline operations with ViziApps will allow your app to run even when the network is not available. To set up offline operations for your app, log into the ViziApps Studio, click on the App Properties drop-down, and choose Set up Offline Operation. Select Use Offline from this drop-down. In most cases, you don't need to download all your back-end data to your mobile device for your end user to run your app. To limit the amount of data that is initially downloaded to the mobile device, click on Limit Offline Data on Mobile Device to create data selection queries that will just download the data your app needs to run. Then click Save. Now here's what will happen when an end user of your app runs your app on a mobile device. First, the app will download the data to the local device database, as it was configured, while the network is initially available. After that download is done, the app will alert the user that his or her data access is available offline. The app can then run on the device using data in the local database and won't be affected by the network connection. The user can continue to interact with the app and insert or update data. Each time the app accesses the local database, it will check the network for access. If the network is available, it will sync the data in both directions, updating both the local and remote data source. If the network is not available, the app will continue to run and will check again later. Note that the offline data access and data syncs can include images from the device camera, and it doesn't matter how long the app runs offline between data syncs. Even if the app crashes, no data will be lost. Find more helpful videos at ViziApps.com and on YouTube. Before you know it, you'll be creating apps like a pro with ViziApps.